Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I have decided to make some onion bhajis, okay? So let's get it going. Now I've got 3 medium sliced onions, as you can see. They've been sliced quite fine. So I'm gonna whack that in there, okay? Along with 4 crushed garlic cloves. Gonna whack that in there too. And I've got about a tablespoon of coriander seeds. So put that in there. Now with the spices, I've got, it's all half a teaspoon, okay? So it's half a teaspoon of cumin powder, chilli powder, paprika, and I've got some madras curry powder in there, along with garlic powder. So whack that in there. Then I'm gonna whack a teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste, and then half a teaspoon of pepper, ground pepper that is. I'm gonna whack 1 egg in there, medium sized, and squeeze some lemon juice, and then I'm gonna get stuck in now with my hands. Give that a bit of a mix, get all those spices mixed together, separate the onions. Guys, once I've given that a good mix, I'm gonna add gram flour. So it's called basin flour. You can get these in your supermarket. Okay, now it's 1 tablespoon, and then it's 2 tablespoons. So it's 2 heaped tablespoons, and then I'm gonna whack in a bunch of coriander, more than a handful, and then I'm gonna mix all that in. Now what consistency you're looking for is the texture needs to be quite thick, and it needs to stick together as well, okay? So you might need to add some more gram flour. I'm just going to give that a mix. Okay, I'm going to need to add more gram flour because it's almost there. Another tablespoon. Give that a mix. As you can see, it's sticking together, so this is the texture that I'm looking for. Okay, now put that aside. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I've got a frying pan and I've filled it up with oil, vegetable oil for myself, but any cooking oil that you would like. Now heat that up, and then with a tablespoon you're going to get a mix. So I'm just going to whack that in the hot oil and then flatten it out there. And then I'm going to continue doing that, filling up the frying pan. It's a little bit too much. Be careful that you put too much in it because it's not going to cook through otherwise. So flatten that out. Do that again. Flatten that out. Now that is on a slow cook. So what I want to do now is put the lid on and let that cook through for a few minutes. Check up on it because you don't really want it to burn, okay? Right guys, it's been about 5 minutes and that has been frying under very low heat. Now I think they're ready to flip over. You know when they're ready, it's because they don't fall apart. So flip that one over. fry that with the lid off for the next few minutes, up until they're nice and crispy on the other side as well. Right guys, they have been frying for a few minutes. Now if you want yours crispier, then just leave it in the fryer for a little bit longer. But I'm going to take mine out now. But look how yummy they look. And they smell amazing, by the way. I'm surprised that my neighbours have not knocked on my door yet with the smell that's coming off these. There you go guys, my version of onion bhajis. I hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe for my future videos. Bon appetit!